Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Fayyazuddin Ahmad here. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you're doing fine. Can you please open the page number 70 of your grammar practice reproducibles? We are going to solve some questions based on the linking verbs, the topic from our previous session, page number 70. From our last session, linking verbs, we'll have just a brief review. Linking verb links the subject of a sentence to a noun or an adjective in the predicate. Am, is, are, was, were, and will be. These are all the linking verbs. Also, we can use seem, feel, appear, look, taste also as linking verbs. Here the linking verb appears is connecting the subject to the adjective of the predicate. The director appears happy. Appears is the linking verb connecting the subject to the adjective of the predicate. The students are eager to meet her. Are is the linking verb connecting the subject to adjective again. Our most recent movie was a documentary. The linking verb is connecting the subject to the noun of the predicate. Again, subjects and linking verbs must agree. In the present tense, we saw if the subject is singular, we'll add s or es to the verb. Like teacher leads. The teacher leads them. We are adding s to the verb lead here. In the next example, the students begin to sing. Here the subject is plural. We will not add s or es if the subject is plural. We will not add s or es to the verb. Here the students begin. We are not adding anything to begin here. So because the students is plural here, the students begin to sing. If the subject is plural, do not add s or es to the verb. The first question. Read each sentence, circle the letter of the sentence that has the title written correctly. Title. Hope you remember from our previous sessions, the titles are of three types. One title is for major work, like newspaper, magazine, etc. If it is for a major work, we will underline or italicize the title. And if it is for a smaller work, like song, poem, we will not underline, but only capitalize. We will put the title in quotation marks. If it is for a smaller work, the title will be put in quotation marks and it will not be capitalized or italicized. And the product names, they will neither have a quotation mark nor the underlining. The titles for the product names will only have capitalization. In short, all the titles have the capitalization rule applied. All the major words of the titles will have initial letters in capital except the conjunctions, prepositions, and articles. Except the articles, conjunctions, and prepositions, the major words of the title will be capitalized. Major work titles will have underlining or italicizing apart from capitalization, and the smaller work titles will have quotation marks, and these smaller work titles will not have a underline or italicizing. To start with the first question, I heard the song "My Dog and My Cat Are Best Friends" on the radio. This is the title of a smaller work. Song is a smaller work, so we'll have quotation marks and capitalization. Here the capitalization is not perfect. Dog is not capital. My cat are not capital, so this is wrong. In the second one, my dog, and this is all capital. This is all underlined. So the smaller, it is also wrong. The smaller work will not be underlined. Number C, option C. I heard the song "My Dog and My Cat Are Best Friends" on the radio. This is perfectly suiting the title of a smaller work song. It's put in quotation marks and all the major words of the title are capitalized. So this is the correct answer. Here again the option D has underlining. It's not matching a title of a smaller work. Underlining should not be there for the titles of smaller works. So answer is C. You can circle the letter C and this is the answer. Number 2. Read each sentence. Circle the letter of the sentence that has the title written correctly. Here the title is for magazine. It's a major work. So we have to look into two things. First thing is capitalization of all the major words. And second thing is underlining. Because this is the title of a major work, magazine, it should be underlined and it should have the major words in capitals. So it is underlined, and all the major words here, health, food, new recipes, all are capitalized. So this suits the title of a major work. So answer is A. Read each sentence and choose the correct linking verb. Write it on the line provided. Question number 3. My aunt, a movie director. My aunt is a movie director. The answer is. The linking verb here is. Her casseroles delicious. Taste delicious. Here the subject and the verb agreement should be there. Casseroles, the subject is plural, so we will not add s to the verb. Taste. The casseroles taste delicious. Next, my cousins lucky that she makes their meals. My cousins are lucky that she makes their meals. Are. My cousins are. Next, she always happy when she cooks. The answer, we need to choose appears because she is the singular subject. When the subject is singular in the present tense, then the verb should have s or es added to it. Here the verb appear should be with s. She always appears happy. The answer is she always appears happy when she cooks. Answer is appears. We welcome at their home for meals anytime. We are welcome. We are welcome at their home for meals anytime. The answer is are. I, a huge fan of a pasta sauces as well. I am. The answer should be am. I am a huge fan of a pasta sauces as well. Answer is am. Next, last week's homemade salsa spicy. The answer should be was spicy. Last week's homemade salsa was spicy. Answer is was. Next, my entire face hot after I ate it. My entire face, because it's from the past tense, so it should be felt. My entire face felt hot after I ate it. My entire face felt hot after I ate it. The answer should be felt. So this is for today. Hope you understood. All this is the same thing what we have done in our past sessions. There should be a small homework for you. Please complete the page number 70 of grammar practice reproducibles. Please complete the page number 70. This is for today. Hope you understood this topic today. Thank you. Have a nice time.